But the first question is, what's the environment since late 22? We have a big accumulation structure. Look at the demand that was coming in late September 2022. We have this beautiful uptrend. This correction is quite deep. However, if you compare this reaction right here with other indexes like the Nasdaq, you will find that the Nasdaq was much flatter, slightly down sloping, so not deep like this. Now let's look at the increase of volume around this low right here. Institutional participation is increasing. And who is buying off the lows? These are contrarian buyers. After all this contrarian demand, price quickly reverses. And look at this beautiful bar right here, showing increasing spread, good momentum to the upside. And the velocity of the reversal is a function of all this demand that was coming in of the lows. And after that, we have a very steep leg to the upside. So there are almost no pauses throughout this local uptrend that we have right here. We just have a small accumulation to the end of the year, and that's visible just on the daily chart, not on the weekly. So the fact that price has been able to overcome the long-term resistance right here and spend time above the highs is a sign of strength for the long term. So we didn't have an instant rejection below the resistance. This is a very important concept. Instead of stopping right here, we are still committing for multiple weeks above the resistance, and then supply comes back into the extreme overbought condition. And by the way, this is a logical place for a correction. It's very common to see price overcoming the all-time highs and then consolidating around the long-term resistance. So the market needs to digest the supply, and this usually happens through time.